my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this pretty simple daisy granny square. It's very easy for beginners. I'm a beginner too, and let's get started. So I use this 5mm hook, and I will do this granny square with another color. First, you have to make a slip knot and then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then join with slip stitch in the first loop. Okay, and then now chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This first will count like a first double crochet. In this circle I will make 12 double crochet. One, 2, 3, 4. You must have 12 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Join with slip stitch here. And then fasten off. This is the first round. Now change the color. I will use red. Start here. Now chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, the first. Now I will do 2 treble crochets together, and now I will do 3 treble crochet together. Yarn twice, insert the hook, pull up 2 loops, pull up 2 loops, yarn twice, insert, pull up 2 loops, pull up 2 loops, yarn twice, pull up 2 loops, pull up 2 loops. Now we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last time. And now this is a petal. Now I will do this treble crochet together all over the round. Now the last time. Chain 2, 1, 2, and join with slip stitch here. Now you should have 12 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12. Cut the yarn and fasten off. For the round 3, I will change the color and start in any space you want. Okay, chain 1 and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the first treble crochet, and now I will do 2 more treble crochet in the same space. Yarn 2, pull up 2, pull up 2 loops, and then pull up 2 loops, yarn twice, pull up 2 loops, pull up 2 loops, pull up 2 loops. Now you have 3 treble crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1. In the next space I'll do 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. In the next space I will do 3 more double crochet. Chain 1, first double crochet, 2, and 3. In the next space I'll do 3 treble crochet. Chain 1, yarn twice, 1, 2, 3. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the corner of the square, and in the same space I will do 3 treble crochet. 1, 2, 3. And now you have one side. This is the corner. In the next space I will do 3 double crochet. Chain 1, the first double crochet, 2, 3. Now chain 1, the next space, 3 double crochet. And now I'll do 3 treble crochet. Chain 1, now chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the corner. In the same space, 3 treble crochet. So the next side it's done. So you have 3 treble crochet, 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 3 treble crochet, chain 3, 3 treble crochet, and in these two 3 double crochet. To finish this square, I have here the last 3 double crochet. I chain 1, and then I'll make in this space, in the next space, 3 treble crochet. One, 2, 3, and now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and close with slip stitch here. Chain 1, put the yarn, and it's done. Now you have a pretty daisy granny square. You can use this for a bag, for a, I don't know, for a pillowcase or whatever you want. Thanks for watching, and tell me in comments if you like this daisy granny square and if you will try to make this too. Bye!